guest of mine who has come all the way from Calcutta, Honorable Justice Arindam Sinha, Judge of the Calcutta High Court. My other personal guest who also shared a table with me when I was in the bar, Sri Ramesh Sharma, who is a member of the bar in the Calcutta High Court. Registrar General of the Calcutta High of the Meghalaya High Court present here. The Director of the Social Services, Social Welfare Department, who delivered the welcome address, and members of the civil administration of the district of the West Garo Hills, the district judges, learned district judge from Tura, district judges, other members of the judicial services present, dignitaries and all those who are present here, especially the landowner, and last but not the least, the children's home girls of Tura. A paradigm shift of the way we look at children who come into conflict with law. Earlier, the juvenile justice laws were there, but we never had the segregation of treating the children differently from those who were adults who were in conflict with law. In other words, to put it bluntly, those who were the criminals the children were allowed to be in the same, be treated like a common adult criminal. They have to be treated as those who are in conflict with law for various reasons, social reasons. There are many reasons which I need not elaborate, but the fact of the matter is this is why the observation homes have to be have to come up in all parts of the country, and in the district level and at the subdivisional level. The observation homes are required so that we observe the children and see that whatever be the reason as to why they have come in conflict in law, their course is corrected so that they can integrate into the mainstream society and thereby contribute to the welfare of the society, which is why the social welfare department plays a pivotal role in setting up of these observation homes. We cannot call those juveniles as criminals. The word is taboo. We have to address this issue as those who are in conflict with law. A special word of thanks to the land here in this remote region of the West Garo Hills, which will go a very long way. It will go a very long way because the observation home is surrounded by, as I found tea gardens here, and this is a lovely setting where the children can mingle with nature and become, as they progress in the observation home, more whose services can be utilized by the society more for reasons rather than being in conflict with law. You have all those who have come here, including the Honorable Minister of Law and the Social Welfare Department Director. You have to understand that this shift of mindset is crucial for making a progress as a nation, because the children of today become the responsible citizens of tomorrow. With the laws that are in force, we will ensure that out of these observation homes come the productive members of the society for tomorrow, who are children who are in conflict in law today. Thank you very much.